So what are you marking now?
The base.
Okay. For trouser, right?
Yes,
All right. Mark that line. Straight. That line is not straight. This one there. Make sure it's straight. You have marked that down. Do the top. Basically like this. You mark. So, all right. Mark. So what's the next thing to do? Take a tape. Oh, yeah. What's the next thing to do?
2 inches.
For what? Hemming. Yeah. Oh yeah. Mark it. 2 inches for folding. Mark it twice. Connect the line. After this, what next?
Getting the trouser length.
Fine. So what did you measure?
39.
All right. Apply it. There becomes your what? Waistline, right?
The waistline, yes.
Okay. So what else do you need to do now?
Getting the crowd.
So how do you get the crotch?
Hip by 4.
All right. So what's the hip you have?
The hip is 44.
Divide by 4 is what?
11.
Mark 11. So you draw the line across, right?
Yes.
So there becomes your what?
The first one.
Okay. So which method of trouser are you drafting? Are you using the straight line method or the direct line method?
The guided line method.
All right. Go ahead.
The next is getting the new line.
The knee line, yeah? So how do you get it?
Measuring from crouch line to the ankle line.
Yes.
Divide by 2,
Yes.
which is 14.
Yes.
And then come up by 3,
Exactly.
which is 11.
Yes. So you divide the total distance from the crotch to the ankle line by 2 and minus 3 from it. That's how to get your knee line. Aside your measurements, you get your knee line from this formula as well. It works for everybody. Then mark the line. So now, after the line, what next do you need to do?
To get the
Apply the hip measurements.
yes, apply the hip measurements. Yes.
So hip is 44, right?
Yes.
So apply 44 on the hip line.
44.
That's 11.
That's 11.
Divide by 4, that's 11. You mark 11 there. Add extra 2 inches. Fine. Mark the line very well, like the possible. Use pattern master and do it. Now what then do you to do?
Divide the line from here to here
To get the what?
to get the
Gradient line. Fine. The total distance from there to there is giving us 13.25.
Yes.
No, it's 13 because of chalk. It's 13. So it's 13. So middle is 6.5.
Yes.
Remember, So you get the graded line.
Yes.
Oh yeah, get the middle line.
Getting the middle line. What's the middle from here?
Total there is 13.
So here,
It's
13.
13. So middle is 6.5. Yeah, mark it as well on the knee. 13, 6.5. Mark as well on the ankle. Then connect the line with a straight line. I hope you won't forget again. If you forget, I will mock you. Alright. Fine. Now the next is the ankle. Now, what's the ankle measurement you have? Knee, sorry, knee.
Knee measurement is 19.
19. So now, in such case, just call it 20. Then mark 5, 5 at both ends. You get such case now is 19 back. So you just mark 5, 5 at both ends. That's 10.
20 divided by 2. 10.
Yes.
So I'll mark 10.
You mark 5, 5, yes. The 10 will be at the center from this line.
Yes.
So it's just like doing 20 divided by 4. Mark 5, 5. So what's the ankle? That's 10. The ankle, is it not too small for the knee? Make the ankle 14. 7. Alright, 3.5. 3.5. To make the ankle 14. 3.5, 3.5. Alright. Now you bring up the line. Your ruler. Bring it up to a certain extent. Mark it good. Yeah, from there. Good. Then mark it as well. Mark it up. Alright. You have seen the difference now, right? Alright. So now mark your waist. What's the waist measurement you have?
36.
Check that waist very well.
36.
Okay. Divide by 4 is 9. Alright, mark 9. Then after marking your waist measurement, add extra 1. Extra 1. You can mark it something like this. Let me chop. You hold the chop like this. And mark it spread like this. See? You mark it well. So that it shows. Oh yeah. Join the 1 inch on the waist to the real hip. With a straight line.
1 inch
This allowance. Join it here.
to the real hip.
Yes. Okay. Connect this to this. This way. Connect this to this. Now, Take your heat cup and blend this properly. Or you can use your straight ruler and connect. Which one? Use your straight ruler and connect. But then you will now blend it. So here we don't have that. You see? Make this one. Alright, do the other one. No, this here is easier for you to use. Connect this from here to this. Then connect this. To this. Then you flush it, like blend it very well so that it does not show any sharp edge. Just like this. So once you are bottom, you see the difference now. The one you did in the afternoon that looks like makeup than this one. Fine. Then come here. Come up by 2 inches.
Half.
2 inches, not half.
You do.
2 inches, not half.
This other one is half.
The other one is half. You mark 2 there. Then you mark half the other way. Then use pattern master and do the curve.
This one, I don't have to keep this.
Just slap it on that place now. Just slap it like this.
Okay.
Just slap it.
On that half inch.
From the beginning of this one to the half inch. Yeah. Like that's all. Then come down by half for your shoulders, for your waistlands or waist loop. That thing past that waistline, oh, shift and go down. Half inch. Then take your hip curve and connect it. The curve should end somewhere across the hip line. Somewhere across here. Across the middle. Like that. Oh yeah. Connect. It's okay there. Oh yeah, do pocket depth.
I didn't forget that one.
You see 2.5.
2.5 and 7.
Yes. 2.5. Then 7 deep. Is it? Alright. So now you have marked it now. You have seen your mistakes before, right? So what do you have to say about this now? Your for a face they show for video. Oh yeah, talk am.
With this, I've learned where I was wrong.
Okay.
So I have corrected myself with this.
Okay. So we make the mistake again.
Nah.
Okay. I'm going to bring scissors and start cutting. So for the back, what are you doing? Take the camera.
I'm not doing too much. Okay? I'm just adding 2 inches.
All right. 2 inches on the crotch. Mark it there. 2 inches here. Mark like 4 or 5 places.
Pro.
It's a pro. Okay, you don't turn pro overnight.
I'm not making it. I'm not making it.
No, go and get one. Well, drawing. Start connecting. No, use your hip curve. Join the first one, second one, third one, third one to fourth one, fourth one to last one. No, not like that. Use your few hands from here. Oh, this box. Perfect. Then, line now. You take it like this. Yeah, mark. What do you say? Yeah. Line now. Don't finish. Yeah. Cut off. So now, let me ask you again. You have seen your mistakes, Abby. So you will not forget again. One cut.